In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an environment in Postman. Environments let you store reusable settings, like base URLs or tokens, so you can switch smoothly between development, staging, and production without editing every request. By the end, you'll have a clean, named environment with variables ready to use in your workspace. First, open Postman. You can launch the desktop app or use Postman on the web in your browser. Once your workspace is visible, look to the top right of the window for the environment selector. If you haven't made any yet, it will likely say, No Environment. Click that drop-down, then choose the Add button with the plus icon. If you prefer, you can also open the Environment section from the left sidebar and click Add there. Both paths take you to the same place, the Environment Manager, where you'll configure everything. Start by giving your environment a clear, descriptive name. Short names like development, staging, or production work well. If your team uses multiple regions or microservices, consider adding a short qualifier so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Next, add your environment variables in the table. In the key column, type the variable name, such as base URL or token. Keep names lowercase and consistent so they're easy to reference. The initial value is an optional shared value that can sync to others in the workspace, useful for non-sensitive defaults, like a public base URL. The current value is what your local machine will actually use when you send requests. This is the place for values that are specific to you, like temporary tokens. Keep sensitive details in current value so they're not shared. When you reference a variable in requests, use double curly braces, for example, /base URL, and Postman will substitute the correct value from the active environment. When you're finished adding variables, click Save. You should see your new environment listed, and unsaved changes will disappear. Saving ensures your variables are available the next time you open Postman. Finally, activate the environment. Open the environment selector at the top right and choose the one you just created. You'll see its name appear there, confirming it's active. With that set, any request that uses your variables will resolve to the values from this environment, making it simple to switch contexts without rewriting requests. That's it. You've created an environment in Postman, named it, added variables, saved it, and made it active for your next API calls.